In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Formsite effectively, especially if you're a beginner looking to get started with creating forms online. Formsite is a versatile tool perfect for creating everything from simple contact forms to complex surveys. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of it. First, you'll want to head over to formsite.com. If you're new to Formsite, look for the Sign Up Free button right on the homepage. For returning users, just click on Login. When signing up, you'll see various plans on offer. If you're just getting started and need something simple, a free plan might suffice. However, if your needs extend to features like file uploads or integrations, consider exploring the paid plans. Once signed up and in your dashboard, you're ready to create your first form. Click Create New Form. You'll find options to start from a blank form where you create everything from scratch, or use a template if you want something like a contact form or survey that's ready-made. Don't forget to give your form a memorable name, such as Customer Feedback Form. As you begin adding content to your form, you'll find the drag and drop editor extremely handy. This allows you to add questions or various input fields with ease. For example, you might choose a short answer field for collecting basic information like names or emails. For questions with preset answers, consider multiple choice or drop-down menus, and for more detailed responses, the paragraph field is perfect. It's also wise to make crucial questions required to ensure you collect the necessary information. Next, let's turn to the design of your form. Navigate to Style and then Themes to start customizing your form's appearance. Here you can play with colors, fonts, button styles, and even add your logo or a header image to make your form stand out. Previewing is key. Ensure it looks good both on desktop and mobile devices. Setting up notifications is another essential step. Go to Form Settings, followed by Notifications. By adding your email address here, you ensure you get notified each time someone submits your form. For a touch of professionalism, you might also opt to send a confirmation email to users upon submission. Consider what users see after form submission. Under Success Pages, decide if you'd like to display a thank you message or redirect users to a specific URL, perhaps your homepage or a relevant product page. To share your form, click on Share and then Form Link to grab your unique URL. You can distribute this link via social media, email, or even embed it on your website using the provided HTML code. Managing responses is crucial. Visit